Hello, welcome to Kad Erp. In previous session, we have learned about work order. We have created work order and store requests which got created and approved automatically. These two store requests which got created and approved. Issue status for both the request is open. In this session, we will learn about PMS, which stands for Product Movement Slip. This is used to track transfer of product from one location to another within the company or between the different branches of the company. In this process, store must have issued all materials against store request received. Once production department receive all the material, then they will create the finished good as per design and guidelines. Our first step is to issue the material against the store request, which was raised against the auto work order. For these two work orders, we have received these two store requests. Let's issue the material. Currently issue status is open. So, let's issue the material against this store request. For that, we have to select the inventory module, and from transaction, we have to select stock issue. Then we will get this search screen where we can find previously created store issue notes. To create new one, click on Add More SIN button. In this new screen we need to provide the store request against which we are issuing the material. We can search required store request using search icon. We have two store requests with number 128 and 129. Let us issue the material for store request 129, which is for control panel subassembly. After selecting store request, corresponding all details will be automatically copied from on store request, including all products. We can also select the sales order if we have. Select the company location. Then select the department from where we are issuing and department to which we are issuing. In our case, we are issuing material from our main store to production department. We need to provide material receiver's name as well. Under products section we can see all these products we need to issue. Requested quantity, pending quantity, and available stock is also visible in this screen. For this product welding rod, we don't have any available stock. We can issue all pending quantity using this checkbox if we have sufficient available stock. Check this checkbox of issue quantity so that this field will get filled with all requested quantity. We can delete this last product from this issue note, and we will issue this in new issue note, once we have sufficient stock. After issuing requested quantity, we can save this issue note. We are getting this success message. Using this print button we can also take printout of this issue note where every details is printed, including all products, issued quantity, receiver name, etc. Let us issue the material against second store request. Just click on New button. Now we need to select 128 store request using this search option. After selection of store request, all details including products are copied in this stock issue. Select company location, receiver name, and then select the departments from where we are issuing material to which department. In products section, let us issue the requested quantity and click on Save. After saving we will get this success message, and then SIN number will get generate. Using this print button we can check all details on print form. Now let's check the status of both the store requisitions. We can see here, one store request got closed and one is still open. Store request 129 is still open, because we don't have sufficient stock for welding rod and we have deleted that product from issue note. To close this store request, we will maintain the stock from product opening stock from inventory master. Here we are updating opening stock for this product for current year. We are maintaining opening stock just for our demo purpose. In real-time scenario, products stock should be filled via MRN. For demo purpose we have maintained opening stock for welding rod. Now let us issue the material against this open request. Select the inventory module and from transaction, select stock issue. Click on Add More SIN button and in this screen, select the store request 129. After selecting, in the products section we can see we have only one product, because we have already issued products in previous issue note. For welding rod, now we have sufficient stock to issue. We are issuing requested quantity and providing all remaining details like company location, departments and receiver name. After entering all details, click on Save. After saving, we will get success message and store issue note number. Let us check the store request in Inventory module. Select Inventory, Transaction, and then Store Requisition. Click on Search. After issuing this last product, we can see issue status is closed. That means all the material which was required to build sub-assembly and main assembly has been issued. Now production department have all material to build sub-assembly and main assembly. In this step, we can record the product movement in PMS. For that, we have to select the production model and from transaction, select product movement slip. We will get this search screen where can find the already created PMS. Click on Add PMS button. In this PMS creation screen, select the company location, receiver's name, and then departments. From where we are sending these assemblies, we can send material from either production to another production department or production to finished good. If we select finished good in final department, then PMS will be considered as completed and stock of particular product will be increased by 1 in stock ledger. Please note that, only after selecting finished good, stock will be created in stock ledger. Click on Add PMS Entry button. Enter store requisition number. Let us take store request 129. Enter PMS quantity and click on Add Product button. Click on Save button to save this PMS. After successful message, we can see that PMS number got generated. In similar way, let us complete PMS for store requisition 128. Click on New button to create new PMS, provide all details including department, receiver name. In Products section, click on Add PMS Entry button to select the store request. Enter and select store request 128, provide required PMS quantity. And the click on Save button. After successful message, we will get auto-generated PMS number. Let us check work order in production module. If we check both the work orders, then we can see work order to PMS status for both this work order is closed. Stock quantity will be increased by 1 after completion of PMS. So stock quantity for our product new control panel will be 1 in stock ledger. Let us check the stock ledger. From Inventory, Report, select Stock Ledger. Provide product name, in our case we will check for new control panel. And click on Generate Stock Ledger button. Report will get generated. As we can see here, we have 1 quantity in stock which is generated with PMS. PMS number and date is also present in this report. So, this is how we have created 1 finished good and its available quantity is 1. As stock is available for main assembly, so we can sell this product and create sales invoice and delivery haulen. This we will learn in next video. Thank you.